Want to see the future? Come to China. Imagine walking into a mall where everything is tailored just for you. Displays greet you by name, the shopping cart changes color to match your mood, and personalized discounts appear on digital price tags. This is the new retail, where online and offline worlds merge. Shopping is fun, personalized, and every visit is a unique adventure. Robots are selling ice cream on the streets. Driverless vehicles are feeding up the highways, while drones deliver packages and help local farmers to tend to their crops. This isn't the world of tomorrow. It's China today. What comes to mind first when you hear Chinese business models? Copycats? Unethical business practices? The infamous 996 culture? I invite you to take a closer look. Today, China is leading the D2C wave, where new consumer brands embrace digitalization, provide near-instant delivery, co-create products with Gen Z, and instill an entrepreneurial spirit in their staff. Hi, I'm Ashley Dudaronok, a naturalized Chinese serial entrepreneur and keynote speaker, specializing in digital China, new retail, and evolving tech ecosystems. In the past decade, I've closely worked with top Chinese firms like Alibaba, Tencent, Jingdong, and ByteDance, witnessing their significant transformations. In fact, since the 90s, China's gone through 4 distinct stages of innovation. First, over 30 years ago, it established itself as the factory of the world, best known for mass-producing goods cheaply. Then the country moved to product design innovation, with brands like Xiaomi and DJI making a shift to manufacturing high-quality original products quickly and affordably. Next came business models innovation, leading to the rise of the sharing economy, community group buying, and live streaming. But today, China's focus is on deep tech. Companies like BYD are already leading in the EV industry globally, while the country is also making significant advances in biotech, new materials, space exploration, and more. My goal is to enable you to learn from China's best practices, successes, and failures, so you could shorten your learning curve in the home market. To help you on this journey, I cover 3 major areas. 1 is customer centricity and the new retail. 2, technology and action. And finally, business and leadership models innovation. In today's fiercely competitive market, the company that comes on top knows, serves, and predicts their consumer better than others. The future of retail, like most other industries, is powered by AI. It relies on seamless, personalized shopping experiences that merge online and offline spaces and will soon move on to the mixed reality. Shopping is evolving beyond just mere transactions into a curated data stream and community, providing information, education, and entertainment, all at the same time. Now, with data, algorithms, and other tools at our disposal, we can build these capabilities faster, cheaper, and better than ever before. Today's China is focused on deep tech across different sectors, aligning with its national strategy to become a tech superpower. This includes renewable energy, IoT, robotics, 6G, and more. Sounds important, right? However, few of these developments are covered by international media, often leaving global players in these fields wondering what's actually going on. Well, come to China, see for yourself. Meet professionals and companies in these key industries, exchange ideas with them, and aim to build bridges. Chinese companies are also innovating with business and management models that prioritize speed, entrepreneurship, and human-centric approaches. Companies like Haier, Temu, and Shein are leading examples, showcasing entrepreneurial spirit and innovative practices globally. With AI and XR already here, Rapid changes are imminent. Everyone needs to be prepared. People, companies, and work procedures will all evolve. So look to China for inspiration and learn from its successes and failures. Don't be left behind the curve. Join me for a keynote session that will leave you ready for what's to come. Feeling, thinking, and acting differently.